a big meeting today, and so we're winding down and having a fun evening, and everyone's getting to know each other. Everyone seems to be really enjoying it.
It's been a fantastic way of everybody coming together, and all probably about 15 countries I think are represented here tonight. It's really a great time.
The lady I'm stood next to I've never met before. I've probably spoken to her by email. It's definitely a good way of integrating a lot of people who are in different parts of the world, getting them in the same place, and they're all working together. It's cool.
I'm doing here for cooking class!
I'm having a great time. Really wouldn't meet without having events like this, opportunities to get to know people and have a better working relationship.